Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope it's going well for you. I got been so busy. I got finally my business card from Staples. I've been going to Staples. I got the rewards with Staples. I've been recycling empty cartridges, and I get rewards and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool, amazing. Yeah, it's been really busy with networking events. I've been going to a lot of networking events. Been meeting so many. I'm meeting a lot of people in the mortgage industry, real estate industry, and then I would go to the car meetup, like exotic car meetup. People with driving exotic cars. Those are people who are real business people. I went to the one in Glendale car meetup, meeting all these different business owners, just networking, just educating about health and wellness. No one's doing what I'm doing. Like, you gotta be different from everybody else. I don't want to do what everyone's doing. Everybody's doing the same thing over and over again. And then right now, the mortgage industry is really bad. Like, people are really tight with money. They're maxing out the credit card. Gas is going off the roof, not just in California, the whole United States. People are getting laid off and stuff like that. Credit is really important. Credit, you can't do anything when you have bad credit. So I've been running to a lot of people. They can't get approved for mortgage loans or refinance their mortgage, whatever the mortgage they have, the mortgage loan they have, and they're getting declined left and right, and a lot of stuff going on. Even when I go shopping, now, they don't take Discover anymore. They don't take Discover debit card or credit card. A lot of places aren't taking it anymore because Capital One and Discover merged together, acquisition, so they're together now. So a lot of places don't take Discover now. The fee is too high, and a lot of stuff is just, it's getting out of control right now. People are really tight on money. The economy is not doing too well. Yeah, it's just really bad, and people are really like tight with the money, so they're doing co-living, renting out their homes to like travel nurses, people who work for Amazon. That's where so they save a lot of money, so they can prepare to buy a home down the road, because apartments are like outrageous right now. Airbnb, apartment, people leaving California. It's crazy. But if you know anybody that needs credit repair, you can. I have I can refer people and then help them get back on track. Delete it from collections and bankruptcy, and clean up your profile and then start fresh again, able to get your credit card, any credit card you want, and increase your credit limit and stuff like that, add more trade lines. And then I learned a lot about credit, like stuff like that, and then they'll clean up your credit, get back on track, so you can do things that you can start a business on the side, or maybe you're working a regular job, you still can clean up your credit, which is affordable, get you back on track and stuff like that, which is awesome. So it's really important to fix your credit and stuff like that. And also, I've been going out there talking about health and wellness, educating people about health and stuff like that. And people are really into health right now. And then people are spending a lot of money on IVF. You know how much an IVF clinic makes? They're making $250,000 a month, and it doesn't work. Only 4% success rate, and it's all about making money. They don't care. It's just those are rich people like to throw money on left and right. But I met a couple customer. They spent over 400 grand on IVF, and they had 2 miscarriage, and which is sad, which is crazy. So I got some business card from Staples. So I got some business card. Yep, I have business card. And I've been getting a lot of business card leads, like real estate events. I have to follow with this. Do some leads, like sheriff, fire department. Yeah, it's been a lot of networking a lot, but I just haven't had time to follow up. So I have to follow with them tomorrow. So a lot of stuff going on this week, and then ran into my friend from childhood friend, and then they supported me buying some supplements for me, and then going back to Arizona again, get my teeth clean. It's cheaper there, and I get to see my people there, and just connect with people and build my business while I'm on the road and stuff like that. So it's pretty amazing. It's gonna this economy is doing well right now. A lot of people are really tight with money. I don't see people spending out money on restaurant right now. Everybody's tight with money. So you got to be prepared how to invest your money properly, invest in your business, invest in your health, because no one's going to come save you. Your health is most important, because that's when health insurance, life insurance, that's when they price gouging, and then just it's expensive these days. If you take care of your health, you don't have to worry about health insurance, because the hospital bill is not cheap. Your life insurance, prescription drugs. They're not there to help you. So you got to take care of your health, because without health, you can't do anything in life. You can be in your deathbed, can't do anything in life when you're in pain and aching, whatever your mental health is not good. You can contact me. We can talk more about it. If you're going through health challenges in life, I'm always there for to help people with their health issues they're going through, or maybe financial stress, or maybe need credit repair or guidance to help people living a better life. And I've been meeting a lot of people who does real estate and working a regular job and doing real estate as a side hustle. So I give them props. So when they make enough money with their side hustle, that's when they exit their job, so they can go full time with their business, because it's hard to get by with a regular job right now. And just people are just they have to get like 2 to 3 jobs to get by these days for minimum wage, and then the more hours you work, the more you get taxed. And it's just crazy time to live in. People are getting laid off left and right, and people don't have hope. And then some people just like take their own life when they lose all the money in stock market. I see in all walks of life, like some people just take their own life when they lose the money in stock market or crypto, whatever it is. Don't throw all your money in those investments. That's not good. So just you can start with small investment, and then and it takes time in any business. It takes time to create a cash flow consistently. When you make consistent cash flow, it means their business that's doing good. So yeah, that's about it. I gotta stay busy. I gotta get back. I gotta go home and cook. I'm just gonna let you know what I've been up to. It's just been really busy, just networking offline. Haven't been on social media often. And if you really want to talk more, just shoot me a message. I'll be able to talk to you more. And I gotta get back to following up my customers. See you guys soon, and have a wonderful day. Thank you, and always subscribe to my channel. Always supporting me. All right, bye.